Welcome to Madclash, where motorcycle crashes aren't just accidents, they're full throttle mayhem. Grip it, rip it, and ride through the chaos. This rider lost concentration for just 1 second on the road, leading to a crash. Be careful when it's dark and the road surface is oily. The road surface had many small pebbles, which caused the wheels to slip on the curve. Luckily, he was okay. The rider tilted his bike close to the road surface and his rear wheel skidded slightly, eventually ending up on the hillside. His protective gear, including airbags, kept him safe. This guy was riding his motorbike when it suddenly started smoking. Despite his efforts to save it, the flames spread and destroyed the bike. He recorded the incident as evidence.
That can't be good. I don't even know what the f to do. It's good. It's not on fire. It just overheated. Thank you. I do, yeah. Appreciate it. She melting.
Harley bore their fight's hoss, stay calm. The motorcycle crashed when the car suddenly swerved out, leaving the rider no time to brake.
Oh, be toilet pour in front of me. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
This guy recorded the accident at the intersection. The car flipped over several times and narrowly avoided hitting him.
It is.
Losing control on the curve led to the crash. Luckily, he only suffered minor injuries.
Oh.
This group of bikers rescued a person trapped in a car involved in an accident. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Holy. Is anyone else in there? Anybody else in there? We push this thing over? Over, might as well. Off the bus. Come on. Oh shit. Bro, push it in the back, Another car. Straighten it out. There it is. Are you good?
Look at these people just stopped. Look at this. Everyone stopped and out in the middle of the road. Thank you, sir.
This rider witnessed a car accident. The car flipped over, exploded, and caught fire. Luckily, the driver managed to escape beforehand.
Traffic's completely stopped. Holy cow, that car is completely engulfed in flames. Hubcaps, oh my gosh, look at this stuff, dude. That is crazy. The whole underpass is smoke and flames. That just exploded, holy crap. Yeah, it's on fire.
The barrier?
Yeah, it's in the middle of the median somehow. I don't understand what exactly happened here. Yeah, they're putting it out right now. They're extinguishing it, it looks like. So you guys were here?
Yeah, we were right there.
Did that car flip over?
Yeah.
Wow.
About 3 seconds.
I know, man.
He got caught right in here. They went all the way down and it flipped him up and over. The pinched him right up. It just looked like you shot it right out of a slingshot. He just whoop.
Jeez.
Went right down the top of the wall, flipped over.
Dude, are you kidding me? Yo! What the Yeah. If you want, yeah, please. You just made me crash.
How did I make you crash? I turn.
I got a camera, park right here till the cops come. You asshole. Where are you going? Dude, go get him, please. What the You saw it? He said, how did I make you hit me?
Oh my God, Ryder crashed on the curve because he didn't slow down. Luckily, the people in the group helped him escape unharmed. An angry man shouted loudly in the street after a driver collided with his beloved dog. Let's see what happened.
Stay right here! No! Stay right here!
Okay, girl. Call somebody!
Call the cops right now! Bro, no, that, bro. No, bro.
Oh, no.
Yo, hold this to the side, bro. I'm not trying to hear nothing. Go to the side, bro.
Wait!
Wait!
Look on the floor! Wait! Hey, guys.
Bro, just stay to the side, bro.
Whoa, no.
I'm just literally parking right here.
No, it's a skateboard right there.
Okay.
It's a skateboard right there.
Yo, back up a little bit. Back up.
Guys, not my first. Oh my God. Bro, he jumped out of nowhere, bro.
I got a recorder here.
Huh?
I
know, I swear.
I recorded everything. Huh?
Take a picture of the plate.
No.
Guys, I swear to God, he jumped out of nowhere, bro.
But if you hear people screaming, why
I
didn't
didn't
you
hear
stop?
nothing,
Bro, I don't care about none of that, bro.
Please just, let me go to the SPS. Let me go, please.
Nah, bro, you gotta stay right here, dog.
He's not going
You
nowhere.
have to stay right here. You just hit an animal. This animal belongs to somebody. Regardless, it doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't even matter. Grab the fucking door. Grab the door. Stay right here till the cops come. Stay right here till the cops come, please, bro.
Yo, what's going on?
I got a flat, bro.
A flat?
Yeah. I'm Chris, bro.
Hold up. I got a patch kit, yeah, in case I ever get a flat. Where is it?
The right tire, bro.
What the hell is this? Bro, you ran over an Allen key.
What?
But I'm gonna get you right. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to do that.
Really, bro?
Alright, bet. You got a air pump?
Yeah.
I hope everything goes well. You could keep that. I have to buy a new one anyways.
Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Have a good one.
I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home.
This guy was running away from the police and almost crashed into another car at the intersection. This guy was being chased by the police when he and his friend were riding their motorbike dangerously on the road.
Turn around.
This rider was asked by the police to pull over for a license plate check. Let's see what happened.
I'm alright, how are you?
I can't read it. It's like tucked into.
Yeah, I've got a fix-it ticket for it already. I just gotta wait for the new bracket. I can show you the ticket if you want to see it.
Well, yeah, if you're gonna do that, you got any weapons on you or anything like that? Any guns?
No, yeah.
No, you mind if I pat you down real quick? Wanna hop off real quick, take your helmet off, talk to you?
I'll take the helmet off, but I don't want you patting me down.
Why not? What's wrong with that?
I'm just riding.
It's just for my safety. I like to pat people down. Just, I don't know if you have weapons on you or not.
I don't carry weapons or anything.
Appreciate it. Perfect. Have a seat on the curb.
I'm not sitting on the curb, bro.
Well, sit on my car then.
Here's the ticket.
One or the other. Pick one. Lean up against the bumper.
Where I'm going.
About to go into town.
Oh God, because I'm standing up. Trying so hard to give people a ticket or just trying to go home.
Stick your hands in your pockets.
You guys are fine. You already patted me down. I don't have fucking weapons.
About to go into town.
Oh, because I'm fucking standing up.
You clearly have a problem.
I have a problem
listening.
because I'm trying to go home and you guys are harassing me.
So here's the thing. We can only stop people.
You're good to go. There's another call that the deputy has to go to, so you can get on out of here. Appreciate it.
Right on, brother. They was on you, huh?
They were on me, trying to get me for anything and everything.
Yeah, but they can pick and choose everybody driving a bike and then be hot, you know?
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Sorry if I was making noise outside your...
I'm just glad they didn't take you.
Yeah, yeah, they got another call, I guess, so. Save my ass.
Hey, take care, bro.
You too, man. Have a good night.
Hi.
What's up?
Can I get a ride to my car over there?
Where's your car?
It's all the way in the corner.
In the parking lot?
Yeah.
Friendly biker and motorcycle enthusiast girl.
It's fine, right?
Yeah, I guess, but just don't fall. Have you ever been on a bike?
No.
Okay, well, I guess it'll be your first. You don't mind being recorded, right?
I don't mind.
So you're gonna step on these pegs behind me, one by one? Give me a hand. What's your name, by the way?
ready.
Good? You good? Yeah.
My first
Lomelli.
How long have you had the bike for?
What is it, like almost a year now? Or like maybe like 7 months? Fastest, probably close to 90, 95. I don't like going fast very much. It's not a fast bike. Alrighty. I'll stop you right here. Okay? Of course.
Kind-hearted female biker helps a car that ran out of gas on the road.
Thirsty?
How you want yourself?
I was sticking my pants. It looks like I have a catheter now. That's a big nozzle.
Thank you guys so much. You got me there.
Absolutely.
So I can get to the gas station.
You're good.
The motorcyclist was rear-ended. Fortunately, the motorcyclist was not injured. The reckless driver deserves a ticket.
What's wrong with you? What the fuck?
Prolonged high throttle caused the motorcycle to catch fire. To prevent this, riders should avoid over-revving and routinely check the engine and cooling system.
Fucking set on fire.
Move it. Push it forward. Put the kickstand down.
Okay.
Yeah, we're okay.
My bike caught on fire.
Oh, the biker is having trouble with his motorbike.
Motovlog'un bizi sınırlandırdığını düşünüyorum. Ana. Abi ne yapıyorsun ya? Yaptığın iş... Yok yok iyiyim ya. Bir de gidiyor.
Traveling on these extremely dangerous muddy roads is dangerous, so please be careful.
Do you ride?
I do. Wait.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. What bike did you used to
I
ride?
used to have a 400.
Oh, very
Yeah.
nice. What happened to it?
I just gotta get rid of it. I don't have time anymore.
Yeah.
But your bag is so cool.
Oh, thanks so much. Because you don't have a bike, do you want to go on a ride sometime?
You being for real?
Yeah.
I would love that.
When are you free?
Tonight?
All right, let's do it.
Bet. Let me get your number.
How's it going?
Hey.
She already had gear, so she's all geared up.
Already.
Have you ever backpacked before?
Yeah, my ex had a bike. Oops.
Oh, what bikes did he have?
He had an R1 SL1K.
Hell no.
What's wrong with that? This is cute too. What do you mean?
We have a couple rules. You have to wear the backpack, and you also have to wear this prototype of this leg bag that I'm releasing.
Like it?
Okay. Have you ever done a wheelie before on the back?
No.
Do you want to?
I'm so down.
All right, let's go. I'm not injured. No. Yeah.
Are you okay? I'm so sorry. I didn't realize my car was itching up. Alright?
Oh yeah, I'm not injured. I mean, it was 0 miles per hour.
Oh. Need help?
Yeah, he's gonna need to move before I can pick the bike up.
Alright, back up a little bit.
The pickup truck suddenly brakes sharply, angering the motorcyclist.
Ne yapıyorsun dayı sen? Ne yapıyorsun ya? Yola atlıyorsun bak benim.
Sometimes shortcuts can keep us here longer.
She scared the fuck out of me.
Slippery roads can lead to crashes, so please be careful and stay safe on the road. Every driver knows not to squeeze the front brake too hard, but this cyclist in Japan learned the hard way. He's fine and reminds everyone to wear protective gear and use the rear brake.
The speed limit on this street is 25 miles an hour.
This biker was approached by an angry man simply because he exceeded the speed limit by a few miles. Let's see how he handled it.
28 is over. Oh, bro, you're offended. Listen to me. 25 is the limit. Do you not understand the word limit?
Okay.
Maximum. 28 is above. And this is not the first.
I can smell the
This
alcohol
is-
in your breath.
I don't give a here, and I'm not
Are you?
operating
Okay. Yeah.
a motor
All right.
vehicle.
I live
See you later.
right down the
I
road,
don't
dude.
give
Turn
where
around
you
and try
live.
and be civil.
I don't give a shit where you live. What I'm saying to you is to hear.
I turned around to try and talk about it.
Well, good. Good for you. Let's just talk about it.
Yeah, I will
Good
take
luck.
your hand.
Good luck.
Take care, sir.
Yeah, you too.
Have a better day.
And you've seen kids get hit?
Dude.
Look at this motherfucker.
Okay.
That's a motorcycle.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
Well, I'm sure you are. Slow down.
I will.
A speeding motorcyclist was cut off by a car that merged straight into the far left lane. The crash could have been avoided with more caution. Next time, slowing down would be wiser. He's more vulnerable than the car. Luckily, he's okay.
Why'd you get on my lane, man?
While sitting in traffic, this biker gets rear-ended hard. only for the driver to speed off without stopping.
People.
A motorcyclist hit over 80 tups when his shaking handlebars nearly caused a crash. In moments like this, stay calm and don't slam the brakes. In California, lane splitting is legal, but a blue truck driver didn't take it well when a biker stopped beside him at a red light, leading to aggressive behavior and a heated chase. Even miles later, the road rage continued, with the driver waiting at another light still fuming. What do you think made this driver so angry that day?
No indicator. I got you. They partying hard. Party's loud.
Oh wait, I am sorry.
Sorry. Sometimes use your indicator, it helps us. You didn't even see me, you know, over there. Sorry to disturb, don't scare you.
Wait! ¿Vieron esa idiotez? ¿Estás viendo, pana?
The motorcyclist was riding at high speed when he suddenly hit an uneven road, causing him to crash. Luckily, his teammate was able to dodge to the side in time, otherwise he might have been injured. A classic case of target fixation sent this street rider straight into a tree. Thankfully, he walked away unharmed. Drag racing can be thrilling and a great learning experience, but they can quickly turn painful when a rider pushes their bikes beyond its limits. Always ride with caution on the track. A motorcyclist was driving on the road when he saw a bag of garbage in the middle of the road. Realizing the danger to other vehicles, the biker decided to turn around and clean it up. I respect, bro.
In this bag. Thank you.
While cornering on a mountain road, a biker's handlebars began to shake violently, nearly causing a fall. Experience when cornering should not lean too much to avoid losing balance. The pedestrian hurriedly ran across the street without realizing that his phone had fallen. When the motorcyclist reminded him, it seemed the man did not understand.
телефон уронили.
А?
Телефон уронили.
О, спасибо большое.
Moments like this are why you should never hit the trail alone. Having a buddy can mean the difference between a quick rescue and serious trouble.
Whoa. I'm down. Ouch. I'm down, Bill. Ugh.
Seeing a van with its rear door open, this biker stepped up to help, potentially saving the driver from losing their load. Props to riders who look out for others on the road. Every situation on the road has a story, not just mistakes, but karma, reminding us of the fragility of life. If this resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and follow me for the next video, where the lessons will go even deeper.